Are you looking to connect 5 water tanks together so they can fill up simultaneously? With a well-designed plumbing system, you can ensure uniform distribution of water. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you out. First, gather all the materials you'll need. 5 water tanks, PVC pipes or flexible hoses sized appropriately for your flow rate, connectors, T's, elbows, couplings, valves, optional for controlling flow, pipe clamps or brackets, a tape measure, a marker, PVC cement for PVC pipes, and a pipe cutter or saw. Start by planning the layout of your tanks. Decide on the physical arrangement that suits your space, whether it's a row, a circular arrangement, or any other configuration. Also, plan the piping layout to ensure even distribution of water. Next, mark the inlet and outlet positions on each tank. Make sure these positions are at the same height on each tank to maintain equal water levels. To connect the tanks, you'll need either T's or a manifold system. A manifold system is a single pipe with multiple outlets, ensuring equal distribution. Measure the distance between the tanks and cut the PVC pipes or hoses to the required lengths. Assemble the pipes with T's connecting each tank to the main inlet pipe. If you're using a manifold, connect each outlet to a tank. Now it's time to connect the pipes or hoses to the tanks using the marked inlet positions. Ensure each connection is secure using PVC cement or hose clamps as appropriate. It's crucial that all inlet pipes are at the same height to ensure equal filling. If you want to control the flow to each tank, you can install valves on the inlet pipes of each tank. This step is optional, but can be helpful for maintenance or if you need to isolate a tank. Connect the main inlet pipe or manifold to your water source. Make sure the connection is secure and that the water pressure is adequate for filling all tanks evenly. Slowly open the water supply and observe the filling process. Check for any leaks at the connections and ensure water flows evenly into each tank. Adjust the valves, if installed, to balance the flow. Once everything is working correctly, secure the pipes with clamps or brackets to prevent movement and reduce strain on the connections. A few tips to keep in mind. Ensure the tanks are on a level surface or that the inlets are at the same height to ensure even filling. Regularly check the system for leaks and make sure the pipes are clear of obstructions. If you have a high-pressure water source, consider installing a pressure regulator to prevent damage to the tanks and pipes. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up a system that allows your 5 water tanks to fill simultaneously and uniform. Good luck with your plumbing project.